What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Rayanne Samantha, and if you are not, welcome back. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be doing a wash day video. It's been a while since I've done a wash day for you guys on my channel, so I just decided that I will carry you guys along with me today. I do have a wrap on, and if you guys are wondering, this is not a sponsored video, but this wrap is from Wrapped by Nails. You can check her out on Instagram, and I will leave the link in the description box down below so you guys can check the website out. They have a lot of really cute wraps. So yeah, as I said, I'm going to be doing a wash day for you guys, and today I just decided to use Mielle Organics products. If you guys are interested in seeing that, then keep on watching. But before we hop into the video, please make sure that you hit the red subscribe button down below, and also hit that post notification bell so you know when I post new videos. But without further ado, let's get this video started. Alright guys, so I've been really loving wash and goes recently, and I don't know, like I just been keeping my wash and go going for a while, which there's pros and cons to that, but I am gonna take off my wrap just so you guys can see the state of my hair because, girl, it's a hot mess under here, okay? The wrap definitely conceals it, but yeah, this is just product on product. But as you can see, I still have some curl definition. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I've really been loving Uncle Funky's Daughter products on my hair lately. And yeah, that's just what I've been gravitating towards for my wash and goes as of late. But this is in need of a serious wash. As I said, I do have a lot of products, so I actually think before I go in with the Mielle Organic products, I am gonna do a clay mask on my hair because I just feel like my hair definitely needs to be clarified. I think that will also help with the detangling process. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So I will see you guys in the shower. Alright guys, so this is what my hair is looking like. It is definitely a mess and in need of a serious wash day. But before I do anything, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse my hair thoroughly and just get it all nice and saturated with water before I add any sort of product or shampoo. And this process takes a while because I do have low porosity hair. So once I rinse my hair, I'm gonna add my clay mask, and if you guys want to see how I mix this and all that kind of stuff, I do have a video and I'll link it in the description box down below. But I'm just gonna add this to my entire head, including my roots, just to clarify my hair because it is definitely needed. And then I'm just gonna wait and let it dry in my hair before I rinse it out. As you can see, you guys, this stuff definitely has my curls popping, and by the time I'm done, I just feel like my hair feels so much better. My scalp doesn't feel so itchy and just full of gunk and products. So this is definitely something that I do maybe once a month just to give my hair that extra step and that extra boost, I guess, if you want to say. So I just want to show you guys what my hair looks like with and without the mask. With the mask, my hair and my curls are just popping. They're full of life. They're saying I'm here and I'm ready. On the other side, they're just looking dull and in need of some love. So yeah, here I am just scraping the bowl because we don't do wasted product around here. And I'm just taking any of the excess product and just adding that to the back of my hair, the front, and I'm just smoothing it into my hair. For some reason, I didn't film washing this out, but once this dried down in my hair, I washed it out with warm water and it just melts out, and then I went ahead and added shampoo. So for shampoo, I'm using the Mielle Organic Pomegranate and Honey Moisturizing and Detangling Shampoo, and I added about 4 pumps, you guys. This shampoo is very creamy, and this entire line smells absolutely amazing. But I will tell you guys, when I say this stuff lathers, like it lathers, okay? So you definitely don't need to add as much as I did because it was crazy the amount of bubbles that I had in my hair. I can definitely say that the claims of the shampoo are accurate. It does give me a lot of slip, and it is also very moisturizing. Alright, so next I'm using the conditioner from the same line, and I don't know what was going on with this nozzle, but I just had to open it real quick. I already told you guys this stuff smells so freaking good, but yeah, it was a struggle to get this out. She is thickety thickums. So yeah, it's hard to get out if your pump is broken like mine, but I did go ahead and add a bunch. The only thing I found with this product is that I did have to add a little bit more than I usually do, but then again, I am really heavy-handed on products, but nonetheless, this made my hair feel so incredibly soft, you guys. The other thing that I love about this conditioner is that it was so easy to finger detangle. To be honest, I didn't really care to detangle with a comb and section and all that kind of stuff, but finger detangling was honestly a breeze because of the amazing slip that this provides. I know I can't be the only one that makes all these weird faces when I'm washing my hair, but yeah, you guys, sorry about all those faces. I don't know what's going on in my head, but yeah. Next, I'm just applying my deep conditioner, and if you know, you know. This right here is the Mielle Organics Mint and Pabasu Deep Conditioner, and this right here is just moisture in a jar. Like I've been telling you guys, it slides and glides like butter. It just leaves my hair feeling so amazing, and I just apply it in 2 sections. And I leave it on for about 35 to 40 minutes, and I put on a plastic bag because we keep it G over here with the plastic bag conditioning, and then I just go ahead and rinse that all out. So that my hair is nice, clean, and moisturized, I'm just gonna put it in a low loose bun with my satin scrunchie and squeeze out any excess water, and then let's get to styling. Alright guys, so I am out of the shower, as you guys can see, and I'm just gonna do a really simple protective style. When I first went natural, what I used to do is I would braid my hair in like 4 or 6 like big braids, and then I would wait till it dries, and then I would style my hair in either a twist out or a braid out. And I just found that that worked so much better for my hair, because obviously once I braided it, my hair was a little bit more stretched. So I'm trying to go back to that because that definitely worked a lot better for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take off this little turban or whatever, and I just have my hair in a scrunchie, a satin scrunchie. So this is what my hair is looking like right now. It definitely feels so much better. So I'm just gonna do 2 simple braids down my head and call it a day. And then I'll show you guys how I style my hair in another video, probably the video after this video. But yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. And honestly, it's been a while since I've just like tucked my hair away. So I think that's a great idea for me to do. So let me just grab the products that I need and I'll be right back. All right, so I got my products and my tools. So the first product that I'm gonna add to my hair is also from Mielle Organics, and this is their Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In. I really like this stuff. To be honest, I think I need to pick up some more because this is my last bottle. It's really nice and thick, and it also leaves, actually, it's not super thick, but it's also not on the watery side. I just love the slip that it has, and when I tell you this smells so good, like your hair smells like, it's like a hair perfume. I really do like this, and then I'm gonna pair it with the Super Curl from Uncle Funky's Daughter, and this is just going to give me some added moisture. So let's go ahead and part my hair off and get to braiding. So I created a side part, and then I joined that in the middle of my head just to do a regular center part down in the middle of my head. And I'm just gonna section off one side of my hair, and again, I don't know what's going on with these nozzles, you guys, but I have to take it off and to add the leave-in conditioner to my hair. But I'm just adding the Mielle leave-in and just smoothing that down my hair so that I can prep my hair and just give it a little bit of more moisture so that I can start detangling. And as you can see, I'm using a wide tooth comb to do that. So because I was planning to leave my braids in for at least a day or 2, I wanted to add some moisture, so I'm just adding the Super Curl, and after this I'm going to detangle further, and then I'm going to start my braids. Once my hair was pretty detangled, I did go ahead and add a little bit of argan oil, eco styler, just to the perimeter of my hair as well as where the parts are, and then I just took my bristle brush and just brushed that down, and then I just started braiding. And honestly you guys, I am going to fast forward it just because I don't want you guys sitting here watching me braid, but at first it did look really messy, but once I cleaned it up and tied it down, as you guys will see, it looked a lot better. So once your braids are done, you guys, you honestly could just leave it like this, but I want a little razzle dazzles, so I decided I'm gonna slay my edges, and I'm just using some eco styler on the perimeter of my hair and my edge brush or comb, whatever you want to call it, and just getting these swoops all together. Once I'm done my edges, I go ahead and add the Mielle mousse, and this is just gonna help clean away any flyaways and just make the style look so much more sleek and just polished. You just want to make sure that you tie this down to set it and just wait till it dries before you take it off. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I wasn't gonna do any makeup, but I was like, you know what, let me just do a little quick like 5-minute beat, and I actually really like how skin like it is looking. I used the I know this is not a makeup video, but I know someone's gonna ask me what makeup did I use, so yeah, I just used the Fenty skin tint and just more skin like products. I also used the Morphe dewy setting mist, and it just really has my skin looking so nice and glowy. And I also underpainted, so I did my concealer before I added the skin tint, and I think that definitely helped just make everything look a lot more natural. But anywho, this is not a makeup video. I also put some beads at the bottom of my hair, one to weigh down my braids because it does tend to like bunch up and then just look kind of weird, so I put these big beads at the bottom, and also because I thought they looked kind of cute. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, I thank you guys so much for supporting me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. But for now, I'm gonna say toodles. Bye guys.